Welcome to my channel. How to set up the eero Pro 6 in 2025 complete Wi-Fi setup tutorial. First, unbox your eero Pro 6, open the box and take out the eero Pro 6 router, power adapter, and Ethernet cable. Make sure your existing modem is working. Second, download the eero app, go to the Play Store, Android, or App Store, iPhone, search for eero, and install the app on your phone. Third, turn off and restart your modem, unplug your modem from power, wait for 30 seconds, and then plug it back in to reset it. Fourth, connect eero to modem, connect one end of the Ethernet cable to your modem and the other end to the eero's WAN port, then plug the eero into a power outlet. Fifth, wait for the LED light to blink blue. Once powered, the eero's LED light will start blinking blue. This means it's ready for setup. Sixth, start setup in the eero app. Open the app and tap Start Setup. It will detect your eero device automatically. Seventh, create your Wi-Fi name and password. When prompted, enter a custom name for your Wi-Fi, SSID, and choose a secure password to protect your network. Eighth, add extra eero devices, optional, if you have more eero units, place them in different rooms, plug them in, and follow the app to connect them for better coverage. Ninth, let the network optimize. The app will automatically update and optimize your network for best performance, which may take a few minutes. 10th, connect all your devices. The app will automatically update and optimize your network for best performance, which may take a few minutes. Thank you for watching.